On September 25, 2022, a meeting of the leaders of the official delegations of the Republic of Tajikistan and the Republic of Kyrgyzstan was held at the Kizilbel border crossing of the Tajikistan-Kyrgyzstan border. The meeting was held under the leadership of the chairman of the State Committee for National Security of the Republic of Tajikistan, Sayumen Yatimov, and the chairman of the State Committee of National Security of the Republic of Kyrgyzstan, Kamchibek Tashev, in which the parties once again emphasized the need to continue negotiations and resolve existing issues through diplomatic means. Sayumen Yatimov and Kamchibek Tashev, chairman of Suk province and chairman of Botkan province, exchanged views on the implementation of the signed protocol and strengthening of peace and stability on the state border line of the Republic of Tajikistan and the Republic of Kyrgyzstan. It was emphasized that all military equipment should be returned to their permanent location, and the parties should resolve the upcoming problems with good understanding. It was also considered necessary that the people near the border should have peace and friendly relations between the two peoples should be established as before, because Tajiks and Kyrgyz have been living side by side for centuries. On behalf of the Kyrgyz Republic, we signed a protocol on ensuring peace and stability in our regions. The signing of the protocol allows friendship and brotherhood between us to grow stronger. Today we signed a protocol that can be called a demilitarization protocol. Resolute measures were taken, they are reflected in the protocol and they must be observed. We held the talks here on the sidelines at the same time and agreed that in no way should there be any conflicts on the Tajik-Kyrgyz state border.